We're announcing the female winners first. The third position goes to Catherine Lingo. Come on! Alright, so Catherine Lindo with beat number 1155. She has timed this race at 49 minutes 6 seconds. So huge round of applause for Catherine. And meanwhile,
5,000 rupees, Catherine Lindo.
Now you guys having a good time?
Yes!
Now I would like to announce the second position holder for the city run. And it goes to... Alright, it's again, please excuse my pronunciations.
Okay.
It's Marquinless
Ramsey!
with beat number 1183. And she has timed 42 minutes 14 seconds. A huge round of applause for Marquinless. Am I correct? Alright, and she'll be winning a check of 7,500 rupees.
Yes!
Yeah? Yeah, let her enjoy this moment.
Okay.
And the winner for City Run Female is Balasiewdor Pathaw.
No!
Her page number is 1147. Yeah. Balasiewdor, correct? Balasiewdor.
Yeah.
Kumle for correcting me. Thank you. Alright. Now she'll be winning a check of 10,000 rupees and a gift voucher for City Center worth rupees
25,000!
Kumle. Wonderful. Kumle.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Love yang da. Good.